so I got the that first side done, the west side, and I got progressively, well, I got a little better with each one. Like I said, it's a garden fence. It's never going to be perfect. I think the second one ends a little wonky there, but I think once I get the fence tied up to it, it'll be it'll sort itself out. So let's see. I'm going to put these ones in next. The process is tedious, but pretty straightforward. I just use my little line level there, pound them in with the anvil, square them up, and just one after the other till the sun goes down. Okay, so got two sides done pretty much. This is the side I'm about to start next. Had to go get a snack though, blood sugar was running low, I was getting a little hangry. Feeling better now. I think I can tackle these next two sides. And it doesn't look so, you know, when you're standing up close you can see the poles kind of wobbling, but they have a lot of play in them. And they do have set screws, so I can tighten them down. So I'm not too worried. Let's, well now I'm a little chilly, so I'm gonna get my jacket and we'll get started here. Okay, let's listen to airplanes and pound some steaks. It's all coming together. Wow. It's a nice day today. It's gonna be like rainy and in the 40s for the next 2 days, so I don't know how much more of this I'll be doing. Alright, we're done. Well, for today. I got all the posts from this kit set up on all 4 sides. So there's 5 on all the sides except for the back wall there. There's 6 because there's 21 poles in the kit. And based on my layout, that's how it all worked out. Here on the ground, you can kind of see the posts for the door. It's going to be a 6-foot wide door. I'm going to put it right here in between. So right there's going to be a 4x4 pressure treated, and then again on each corner. And yeah, 6-foot door here. Walk in and have a nice wide berth down the way. So that's it. Raspberries over there. So that's an 8-foot high fence. Or there will be an 8-foot high fence on it anyway. These are blueberries. Blueberry, mint. Just getting them acclimated. They've been indoors for a while. It's looking good. You know, the poles aren't going to be perfectly straight, but you know, I can always adjust them, or I think when I put the netting on it, it'll make a big difference. Oh, check this out. Let's see here. This is the anvil they give you to put inside each post. I don't know, I guess if there's 21 sleeves, I probably hit each one at least 10 times. So there's, it's actually kind of warm. Still, since I just finished using it. They sent me 2 actually. I should do a side-by-side. It's pretty cool. Alright, I might set up these 2 door posts. I might not, but I think I'm done for today. Alright, thanks for joining me. Off? Nope, that's zoom. Alright, so it's a little windy outside, but this is what I've been working on. I originally was only going to build the hitch for it, which came in the mail from Woodland Products, but I ended up building the whole thing. I didn't have all the right parts, so this is replacing that sweeper I bought that you saw in previous videos. I just couldn't get that thing to work for me. Honestly, I think this tractor, it's going to get windy here, let me go inside here. This tractor just discharges, I think, grass just too aggressively for that sweeper to pick it up. And, whew, that's windy. Well, anyway, here's where I'm at. I bought this on Craigslist used, and it came with this separate like 10-foot hose that you can use as a, you know, to pick up mulch or whatever on the side. I'm probably not going to use it. This will be enough for me. So this is temporary. I'm probably eventually going to order the right length of this yellow. I just want to get it all working. Make sure it runs with my machine here, the Kubota B series. This was the 3-point hitch I had to buy. It was real easy. It's pretty clever here. They've got, if you're category 1, you just flip this bracket and you've got your, or sorry, category 0. I'm category 1. If you're category 0, you just flip it around. So this is a 0 and a 1 category. Just, it's nice quality. It came with all the pins. Came with a couple extra pieces to hook it up to a John Deere or a quick hitch. So this is super noisy when it's running, so I'm probably just gonna let it run and take a couple passes and see how we do. I'm pretty excited to get this thing going. This is really going to make a difference with the composting and in the garden. And it looks ridiculous.